All right, guys. So part of the coaching program is that you actually get a website through me. Okay. So what we do is we install a WordPress instance. For instance, I've just installed Sarah's WordPress. This is what it's going to look like when it comes out. In a standard fashion. Okay, it comes with a simple template, an uncategorized, just standard sample pages and things like that. I'm going to run through how to customize this. Okay, the first thing that you want to do if it's not already installed is you want to install a plugin. A plugin is like a widget. It's called a widget that does a certain thing in WordPress. And there's plugins for anything you want: e-commerce, analytics, tracking, whatever you can think of. There are plugins out there that do it. Some are free, some are paid. But what I want to show you first is we want to install a classic editor. And the reason is when you create a new page or a post without that classic editor, okay, it uses these really awful block editors. Okay, so in order to use these, you've got to make each block standard, and so let's take a look at this. So we've got like a paragraph block, right? In order to add text, and then you want to add an image, you've got to add another block. I hate that. Okay, what I like to use is let me just discard this. Go over here to get out of here. See, this is the problem with the block editor. It doesn't even I don't even know how to get out of it. It's so annoying. What I do is I install the classic editor. Okay, so I'm going to activate this, and what we'll do now is when we add a post or a page, it's like writing in Microsoft Word, right? It's much easier. This is much better. I love this. Add an image, you just click image. It's just so much easier to use. So that's the first thing. The second thing I want you to know about is on your dashboard. Okay, I'm going to walk you through the back end of WordPress in a quick tutorial. On the dashboard, you have updates. You want to keep everything updated pretty well because sometimes there's some security issues that we want to make sure we take care of. But on your dashboard, you can see some different things here. But really what the area that you're going to be at is posts, pages, and appearance. Okay, a post is a time-sensitive piece of information or article or video that you want to publish on your blog or on your website as something that's an update or new information or something like that. So it's the traditional block sense, right? I got hair in my mouth here. So that's what a post is it's continually being refreshed. You're adding new content there. If you look on my carrydaily.org site, which is also a WordPress website, my blogs or my posts are under my Intel section. And as you can see under the Intel section, there's just a series of posts, a series of information, and you can just keep scrolling indefinitely until you get to the end of all of my posts. So if you are publishing an update, you're publishing an article, a new piece of information, like take a look at this one here. Okay, I talked about the wife of the officer who killed George Floyd filed for divorce. That's a standalone blog post. Okay, that's what this is a standalone post. This is not a page. This isn't a web page. This is just a post. Okay, a page is like your contact us, your about us, your classes, your training, things that are going to live permanently on your website. Okay, so that's what a page is. Now, either way, they both are kind of formatted in the same way. You just go to add new, you create the page, and you've got your page written. Under appearance, where you want to do is you want to edit your themes. Okay, so go under theme, hit add new, and choose a cool looking theme. I usually just go to popular, which ones are the most popular. And let's say that this one looks good. So I'm just going to hit install and activate. From there, I'm going to go over to this button that says customize. Okay, once I click customize, then it actually gives me preset templates or preset areas where I can customize how the website looks. So right now, the website looks like this. All right, what we want to do is we want to edit our customizations. So we're going to go back over to here and say site identity. We're going to say Independence Firearms Academy. Let's say gun safety for independent people or whatever you want to do. Okay. Then what we're going to do is change the colors, and we can select a header color, make that header blue, and it's going to show you like a live preview of what we're actually changing here. Okay, menus, widgets, homepage, everything that you want to learn how to do on WordPress, you can go to Google and figure out. But this is, the first step is just getting in there, getting it set up, and installing your own themes and installing your own customizations. If you don't like that theme, just add a new theme. We can just go back over here and find a different theme that we like. Maybe this one right here. This one looks pretty good, so we're gonna preview that one. And again, everything is designed so that you can just point, click, and use, and really get into a quick thing. You want to, within 2 hours, you should have this thing built out, ready for traffic. Okay. Any questions? Just let me know. Thanks.